Hi and welcome. I'm Frederick from Dropsolid. In this video I'll be explaining how you can inject content from your websites into your marketing automation system. I'll be explaining multiple plugins. I have the RSS Simple plugin, the RSS Plus plugin, and how you can use it with tokens for automated newsletters. Let's dive in. First, I'm going to explain the RSS Import plugin. You can find it on my GitHub, Mautic email RSS Import bundle, or on our website or on the Mautic forum. There's many places where you can find it, but this is the source. Once you've installed the plugin, you can click on it in the configuration and see the configuration fields that you have here. It's pretty straightforward. You add the RSS URL here, you add the RSS fields you want to be available into the template, and you create your MGML template here in this text area. The MGML template, there's some extra configuration here, is what will be injected for each news item into the newsletter. That's it. How does it work? Well, we go into the builder and then we scroll to the RSS feed button here on the right side. You drag it into the region where you want the content to appear, and then you see the RSS items that have been fetched from the website. Let's just select a few of those. When I now click the blue button, it will take the XML or the content from the RSS feed, push them through the MGML template that I've configured in the plugin, and inject them directly in the email. So you see now the content has been injected in the email in your template from your configuration. Hooray! The configuration for the RSS Plus plugin is more advanced. It doesn't live in this window, but the plugin adds configuration here in the menu on the bottom. So it adds templates and feeds. I've opened them in separate tabs. The feeds is the list of RSS feeds that we want to be able to consume. I'm going to open one example. Here you see the BBC feed is the RSS feed. The fields that we extract from this RSS feed. If we want to show the button in the email editor, and if we now enable it as a token as well. Then we have the templates. The templates is a list of templates where you define MGML templates to be used when importing content from the different RSS feeds. If we then go edit an email, we go to the builder, we scroll to the bottom, and then we'll see that for each of the RSS Plus feeds, you have a button added here. Let's add a feed into the content section. It now loads the content from the feed, and you can choose the template to be used for importing the content. Isn't that amazing? Now there might be a scenario where you will have a newsletter that is sent out automatically. Then you would need every week, for example, to re-import the content from the RSS feed manually. This is still cumbersome. How can we automate this? This is why we have the section with the tokens. If we go to the RSS Plus token on the right side, we drag it where we want it to render. We can select the feed and a template, insert token, and this will send out your email, and the moment it sends out the email, it will take the content from the RSS feed, render it through the template, and make it look nice. Fully automatic content from your website inside of your marketing automation. Now, this isn't personalized yet, but I have a different video on personalization. I hope you liked it. If you're interested for more, check dropsolid.ai or reach out for a live demo. Thanks for watching.